How's it going, everybody? Good morning. It's Saturday and it's a really kind of a beautiful day. It's like cloudy on one side, sunny on the other side, so pardon my squinting. But I'm going up to one of my favorite spots right now to do some time lapses, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Just dropped Stephanie off of work, then I'm going to do this, then not many plans for the day. But I wanted to at least get like one nice shot today because I feel like yesterday I didn't get any for you guys. So with that said, I'm going up there. You guys see those crazy birds? They're flying around like crazy fools. What was that all about? You guys need to calm down. I'm really not kidding, guys. Like a few weeks ago I talked about in my video about how Portland is so green and flowers start to come up already in January. There they are. They're coming up all in my yard, which I need to rake. I wasn't kidding. See? They're coming up. It's that time of year. Portland's pretty cool. So I've been getting a lot of really nice comments and messages from you guys, and I just want to say thank you. I never in a million years when I started this thing thought that I would ever get like any kind of messages like that or responses like this. So I want to say thank you. I had no idea that this was going to be like motivational for certain people. So with that said, I'm glad it motivates you. I'm glad you're finding use in what I'm saying and doing. And I hope you guys continue to watch. I'm going to be getting a new camera soon, so that's going to help with like time lapses and getting some better shots and still have a better sensor. But with that said, I'm going to keep doing this as long as I can until I get the new camera. I'm going to be using this one and doing this every day. So I hope that it continues to motivate you. I hope you guys are enjoying the kind of things I've been doing. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for every kind of feedback you've given me. It really means a lot to me. It's pretty cool. You guys, just to let you know, whenever you're in doubt and you need something to put your ladder on, just use a power line. They work pretty good. This guy needs to go back in the box. He's being very, what's the word? Inappropriate. Sorry, man. We'll play later. All right, Lexington, it's time to make some dinner.